Welcome back to the Cobra Trading Channel. Today we have a special guest for you all, one of our prime partners, Kinfo. We have Steven Johnson here explaining why you should be using Kinfo as your everyday trading journal. Steven, take it away.
Thank you, Cobra Trading, for having me as part of your special guest series. Hey, I'm Steven. I'm the host of Kinfo's Transparent Traders podcast. I am also a daily Kinfo user, and today I want to just explain the incredible value that Kinfo provides traders. First off, for those who don't know, what is Kinfo? Ultimately, it's an extremely powerful trading journal that tracks and verifies trading performance through an integration with a broker. Now, this verification feature is extremely big for me because it's something that only Kinfo offers, and it can 100% prove whether a trader's results are genuine or not. So gone are the days of having to trust a screenshot from a person randomly on Twitter to say the performance of the trader's X, Y, and Z. Now, let's just quickly dive into the software. So one of the most important aspects of Kinfo is that it integrates directly with your broker. Now, the reason that this is so important is it allows you to spend more time invested in breaking down and tracking your trades and ultimately journaling rather than messing around with uploads and downloads. And when you do import your trades, if you click onto the portfolio section, you'll see that your trades are either consolidated in a view where you can see profits, winning trades, average gains, or if you want, you can look at your trades in a little bit more detail, where you can see the wins, the losses, the transactions, and gains in P&L. If we click on to the leaderboard section, it's a really, really cool thing. So we literally see the top verified traders across a week, month, all time, characterized in terms of profits. Now, this is really cool because you can actually connect or look through the trades of some of these top guys for tips or for inspiration. And guys, just one really important point to make, like Kinfo is literally built specifically for day traders. So when you browse through the sections, you don't get clogged or confused by a million different words that you don't understand. You'll see the basic things like daily P&L, monthly P&L. You'll be able to break down patterns by in terms of tags. You'll see the basic asset classes that people trade. You'll be able to categorize your trades in terms of range, price volume, what asset it is, days and times. It's a very simple layout where you're not going to get stuck thinking, where's this or where's that? Another really important feature that I see with Kinfo that's not on other trading journals is the app. So you can always stay up to date and have the information and metrics at your fingertips, whether you're hiding in the corner of a warehouse or you're sitting behind a computer at an office desk. So we haven't quite touched on the advantages of Kinfo Pro and Pro Plus. Now, Pro has some upgraded features where you can enable priority sync, which means Kinfo will download the trading data from your broker first. We have advanced reporting, so we can really dig down and pinpoint the analytics of where things are going well and where things aren't going so well with your trades. We've got things like lock and tickers and also priority support. Now, if you want to look at Pro Plus as well, we've got things like spread detection, hidden trades, and Excel integration. I didn't quite cover some of these custom periods and add tags, so let's jump in that now. Now, Kinfo's tagging feature is particularly interesting because it allows you to group and tag things such as setups. So you can organize different setups and then pinpoint what's going right or what's going wrong in terms of stats, days, times, price, volume, and a number of other factors. And now, thanks to Cobra Prime, you'll be able to experience all of this value at a discount. So we'd like to thank Cobra again for allowing us to be part of the Prime offering. And if you have any questions, please do feel free to reach out to @Kinfo. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Steven, for sharing the information about Kinfo. If you'd like to learn more, click the links below or go to cobratrading.com, click the live chat feature, and we'll be happy to help.